In this morning's Ask Allie, we answer T. Michelle's question. She wrote me on Twitter saying, quote, if the pandemic is such a concern and higher risk in North County, how is it that schools in NoCo don't have nurses? Here's what we found out.
When kids don't feel well, they want to find their nurse.
Like every industry in the country right now, school nurses are being stretched thin, something that was going on long before the pandemic. Take a look at this study, published in the Journal of School Nursing in 2018. It shows 81.9% of public schools have a full or part-time school nurse. For private schools, the number is much lower, at 34.6%. The data also shows 25% of schools in the country don't have a nurse at all, something that Jennings Superintendent Paula Knight says is not an option in a pandemic.
The role of the nurse has indeed shifted. We cannot have school without our school nurses.
The Jennings district has 1 RN, 4 LPNs, and 1 health clerk for its 6 schools and 1 alternative school.
Sometimes the nurses are bombarded with kids, and we do have alternative staff who will come in and say, how can I help? What can I do?
As for the other districts in North County, Pattonville has 13 RNs. There are 33 in HAZELWOod, plus an additional 9 clinic aides. FERGUSON has 16 district nurses and says it recently enlisted the help of a healthcare staffing agency to hire another 8 at the start of this year to fill some empty spots. According to the Missouri Department of Health, funding for school nurses is dependent on local revenue. Some of the smallest districts in the state don't have one, and it's not required. And if you asked these districts, or really any across the country, if they could use more school nurses, they would no doubt say yes, especially now. Jennings credits community partnerships that have been vital with free COVID testing and other things to help keep their kids in school and healthy. If you have a question that you would like answered, you can email me, acorey@kstk.com, or reach out to me on social media.